Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, and here is the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 20th of March 2016. So we've got AC Aussie CAD on the daily here, and I've marked up this demand. This was a pullback to this previous demand, but this also looks pretty good. Price has made a turn up here, so I'll be watching to see how it looks when price comes back down. If we get a series of clear red candles indicating profit potential, then I will be looking for potential longs. Okay, let's stick with the Aussie but move on to AN. So this is one I mentioned last week. We've got this supply up at the top here, clear run of green candles coming in. Price hasn't yet turned significantly, but it did try to get higher here. We have got this base, and price has come back down into that base. This is a key area here. It will be interesting to see what happens if price engulfs this area, because if it does that, then we could have a smoother ride back down. So this one is still very much on the radar for this week. Okay, moving on, let's look at EJ. This one is still on the radar. This is still looking good. So at the moment, I'm waiting for price to rally up, maybe looking at getting long on the way up to this level, and then once it gets to this supply, we'll be looking to see if there's a potential reversal here. So we're looking at longs and shorts on this one this week. Right, let's move on to the euro. Okay, so managed to get long on the way up just towards the end of last week there, and we're back at this supply here. So this is a second touch, very strong supply, small base, big drop away. We've had one touch that went very deep into the level, and then we've had a second touch here and price has turned away. So we're going to see one of two things. Price is going to continue to move back down again, or it's going to engulf this and rally up. But price has had a difficult time getting past this area here. I mean, even if we scroll along, price was able to engulf that, a bit of a fake out before going back down around here. Couldn't get higher around here, couldn't get much higher than there. So ever since what, January last year, really hasn't been able to break too high above that. So this is a key area. So yeah, we'll see what happens on this one. Moving on, let's look at GJ. We've had this base form. This base formed a little while ago now, but just marking it on now for you. Yeah, so we could have a few longs from here. When price does get back down, it may not get back down anytime soon, because this is showing signs of rallying from where it is at the moment. But one to watch anyway. If price gets above here, then we could have a clear ride up through this profit zone as well. Right, let's look at dollar CAD. So this has been falling quite steadily, and we've got this daily demand level down here. Let's zoom in a bit. So this is where we are now. A few pips away, we've got daily demand. We're looking at over 200 pips there. But we've got a nice base. It's important to notice we've got another one just below that as well. So if this one doesn't hold, we've got this one. So we're either going to be jumping in long or riding that short trade back down, further down. So these are the main ones I'm watching with the daily levels. Until next time, happy trading, guys.